Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explore how to identify songs in audio or video files for free. Let's get started. First, go ahead and record the song fragment you want to identify. I'm going to use a popular free audio editor called Audacity. You can download your free copy from their official website. Recently, Audacity has added new features that might compromise your privacy. If you're concerned about this, I recommend using an alternative like Tenacity, which offers similar functionalities without the privacy issues. With the video playing, press the record button in Audacity. A few seconds of the song should suffice for identification. Once you've captured the audio, be sure to save the audio file to your hard drive. This will ensure you have the recording ready for the next steps in identifying the song. While there are solutions that require installation, such as Shazam, I'm going to show you a free method that doesn't need any installation. This way, you can easily identify songs without adding any extra software to your device. Simply go to this website that allows you to identify over 100 million audio fingerprints. There's no need to use a browser extension. The website supports various audio formats, including MP3, WAV, MP4, AVI, and FLV. Keep in mind that the maximum file size you can upload is 100 megabytes. Press the play button to preview the audio file you just uploaded. This allows you to ensure that you've selected the correct fragment before proceeding with the identification process. Once you're satisfied with the preview, press the Start button to identify the audio. There you have it. The song title and artist information will be displayed on the screen. Now you can easily access the details about the song you were trying to identify. It's that simple. Enjoy discovering new music.